Hey everybody, it's Jordan here with JR & Company, MSPMA's favorite roofing contractor, and I wanted to put together a quick little video to give you a couple reasons to make sure you stop by our booth at the conference next week. First off, we're going to be giving away swords! JR pocket knives, and cigars, and also a special grand prize. But more importantly, we're going to be debuting our new roof asset management program called RoofLink. It has an online portal that will give you easy access to free roof inspection reports on all your roofs, capital budget reports, storm tracking tools, service history, and so much more. This is our 7th year attending the conference, and we can't wait to see you. So be sure and stop by and say hello and register to win this sword! Our special grand prize. See you in Branson.